So hey guys, this is Rahman, your cricketing coach. So today I'll be showing you few wicket keeping techniques. This is the first position. I'll let you know. Your glove position. If your glove position is good, your everything is good. This is the first point of glove working. Okay. So this is the position. This is the position of keeper. The glove work. Okay, watch it, watch it. Both the hands should be together. If your both the hands are together, you can grab the ball, receive the ball, whatever it is. Okay. So think it. This is your stump. Okay, stump. 3 stumps. So always remember when you are taking wicket keeping position. Remember you take one step. Take a step. Mark a line. Mark a line. So this is your wicket keeping position. Place. Okay, this is the place. Think it as a stump here. This is a wide line. This is also a wide line. So your first thing is when you're going down, remember your both the gloves. Okay, watch it. Both the gloves are equal together. Equal and together. When the ball is coming, you can receive it easily. So second point I'll be showing you is how will you be on your toes. Like when you are in keeping position, always remember you should be on your toes. If you are on your toes, you will be very flexible. You will be able to move here and there very quick. So the third point is never commit before the ball. Before the bowler is bowling, never get up early. So I'll be showing you too. So the third point is, see, you are in the position. Okay, your everything is good. But when you are getting up early, if you miss the ball will go inside here and there. Okay, never commit early. Wait for the ball, wait for the ball. See, watch the bowler's hand. Okay, when he is releasing, watch the bowler's hand properly, carefully, be focused. If you are not focused, you will leave the ball will go. That's it. Okay, see, be focused, watch the ball, head is still, everything should be still. Wait for the ball pitches, then you will get up. Then you commit for the ball. You never get up early. See, the bowler is pitching, the ball is pitching, and the ball is raising up, then you need to commit for the ball. Then you need to be wait for the ball and commit, receive it. So guys, I'll add one more thing to it. So always remember here, okay, I've shown you the stands, wicket keeping stand, like the position. One more thing I'll add it to it. See, when you are in the position, always remember your left foot and the right foot. You have to move it, okay. This is the position, like for receiving the ball. Here. So when you are receiving the ball, always remember this feet, okay. Don't move this feet. Okay? When you are receiving, let the foot be here. If you move your foot here, you can't be able to reach for the stump. You can't be able to reach for the stump, okay. So always remember here, receive here. See, watch my foot here. This foot should be here, okay. Near the off stump. So same way here also. This foot should be here. Then only you will be able to hit the stump. I'll be showing you few wicket keeping drills for fast bowlers and spinners, like the movements, body balance movements, and if the ball is going too far, how will you go and receive it? How will you collect it? So you need you should be having flexible body, and you should be having few, if you do these drills, you will get the flexibility body and you will get the movements. So keep watching, I will do the drills. So this is for the fast bowlers. I have only this much place, so I will be doing this only this much small place. Keep watching. So keep doing it fast, okay, as much as you can. Keep doing it fast. So this drill for fast bowlers, you can keep the cone as much as far you can. So it will be easier for you only. So this drill you can do it for 5 to 10 sets. Take a break, have some sip of water, take 30 seconds break and do it again. You can do it 5 to 10 sets. It will improve your movements as well as flexibility. So hey guys, this is for spinners, drills for spinners, okay, wicket keeping drills for spinners. So you think this as a wicket, okay, this as a stump, this is the wide line, So always remember, you take one step, mark a line, this is your position, There you are, okay? Here, just do this. Keep moving. Stay low. Here, one step. Only one step, okay? This is for spinner. See it. Here it is. It improve your quick, like for spinners it will be very useful. So you will be able to be very quick. So hey guys, this is the setup for spinners, wicket keeping drills. Keep moving as I showed you. Just keep moving your feet forward, like not forward, sideways, very fast. Then only you will get the flexibility and moving, like your body will be moving. So you will be able to receive the ball. If the bowler is bowling slow, if the bowler is bowling fast, whatever he bowls, you will be able to go for the ball. Like the line of the ball, you can go there and receive it. So this is the drill for the spinners. Thank you.